Hi everyone, love to see you. This is Aditya Raj and back with another unboxing video. Not unboxing, a review also. Let's start. You will be thinking, what is this? Let's see. Boxes of Flipkart are extremely packed, really. So this is a Lenovo Fitness Band HXO6 active fitness band actually. So let's see. I love opening boxes. Packing. What is this? Oh, this is the band. Oh, what? It's broken or what? No, it's not broken. It's a uni-metal design. It's looking cool, right? What's next? It has got a cable which we don't use, don't read, and nothing else in the box. So after some time we will set it up. So now I have paired this, and as you can see, this is a Lenovo device. This is you can pair it with any device. As I have this Lenovo device, so I paired with it. So let's do up the setting. First, go to Play Store and you will type Lenovo Healthy app. See, I've installed the app. Select open. In open you will see that I've connected it and it shows 0, no sleep records, and as I'll work it will show many sleep records and total steps. So let's move to the specs, what it has. So this has a sports static on wrist, it has a sleep monitor, it has a call information reminder, sedentary reminder, USB direct charging. It means that you can charge it from here. Yeah, if you tag it in directly into USB port and it will start charging. It also has anti-sleep mode, digital smart band. It is made up of silicon. It is Bluetooth enabled as you watched. Activity tracker is present and it is made up of OLED display, which is pretty bright in my opinion, and it's good to have bright displays. Activity tracker, and it is water resistant. It is IP67 water resistant. So I feel it's a pretty good watch, and let's compare it with another watch. If I wear it in my wrist, let's see how it looks. Let's see how it looks. Oh man, it looks dope. It really looks dope. Yeah, it looks dope. It's pretty good. It shows steps, it shows kilometer, it shows calories, and it's pretty good. You can buy it. Now let's compare it with another band, and I'll give review of that band also. Okay, let's go. So I was telling about you a review. This is it. At first, I had a Fitmate fitness band which I lost around 6 months ago. It worked for me almost 1 year. It was pretty good, and I loved that band. After losing it, I thought of a fitness band, and I was browsing through Amazon and I found this one. I took this. It gave me a warranty of 6 months. Okay, now January to June, I bought it in January, and in June it got damaged and it's not working. It's not got damaged, it was working properly. It was a rainy day. I was coming from out from my school and it's not working now. And I bought it for Amazon for 1500 rupees. It was a total loss. In 6 months, last one lasted me about 1 year, but this lasted me only for 6 months. So after then, what to do? I trusted Lenovo, as because my phone is also of Lenovo, so I thought it will work pretty good with my device. So I bought this, and this was pretty horrible product from Bolt or whatever company it says. I didn't really liked it. My friends all told that it's not looking good, but I thought it would be long lasting because it take 1500 rupees. Last one was about 1000, the Fitmate one which I lost. This is about 1500 rupees, and this is about 1299, almost 1300 rupees. So you should buy this. No, you should not buy this because it's very bad. This one I'll come up with a full review because I have to test it that if it works good or not and how much it lasts. Whenever this will get damaged or it will not work, I'll say to you to buy, like, share and subscribe. Thank you.